welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you about how to make lemon serum at home. On my channel, I posted about DIY vitamin C serum, which is made of L-ascorbic acid, but it is hard to find and expensive. And also some said it is a type of acid and you can't use it on skin like that. So for all these problems, I came up with a serum that can be prepared with the natural vitamin C and easily available ingredients. And the main ingredient in it is lemon. And we all know that lemons are loaded with vitamin C, so it's better to go with the natural vitamin C. If you're looking for any cheap and effective serum, then it is for you. Okay, without wasting any time, let's see how to make this serum. For this, you need lemon juice, glycerine, try to find a good one, and rose water. Now take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. But here remember, whenever you are using the lemon on the face, make sure you strain the juice in the cotton cloth for at least 7 times like this before using it on the skin. You should follow this rule to lemon because lemon juice has citric acid and can change the natural pH level of your skin and then causes skin irritation like redness, itching, burning sensation and so on, and makes the skin sensitive to the sun. So before applying it directly on the skin, do this method. And now take 1 teaspoon of glycerine and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix them all together. I took everything 1 teaspoon, but you can take 1 tablespoon of each or however you want, but the quantities of all should be equal. Once it is mixed well, transfer this into a glass bottle like this, and you can store this at room temperature or in the fridge. Apply the serum on clean face. Take 10 drops of it and apply it all over the face and gently massage it. Leave it overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Do this every night before going to bed for at least 3 months. Then the dark spots will be reduced. And also remember, try to make new batch of the serum every week or make new batch once the previous batch becomes oxidized. And yes, don't apply any creams or moisturizers once it is applied. Just use this serum alone. If you feel to apply any moisturizer during the daytime, then apply any mild, less chemical-based one. Give this lemon serum a try and see the results. If you want any more information about this, then please check the description box below. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.